guys, down here it's really flooded. Wow, this is crazy. I wonder if I can actually go through this. The water level is, wow, this is ridiculous, man. Oh my gosh, Lord help me.
Hey guys, good morning. Guys, today the rain is falling, cats and dogs, people, it's falling, cats and dogs. Depression Eta is currently passing through the island and it is raining non-stop. Guys, this is the type of weather you're supposed to just bundle up and cuddle up. You know, and I do nothing at all. Right, baby?
Unlike you, me have work, so God, my God.
Oh no, you're going to work, Leo.
Yeah.
Come back, Leo. So guys, you know, unfortunately Obi is going to work, but me and Kara is staying home and relaxing. Yes, we're going to show you some image of what Eta is doing to the Cayman Islands. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, this is what outside my front door is looking like. Guys, it's raining cats and dogs. Guys, we're getting more rain from Depression Eta than we got from the recent hurricane that passed over Cayman Islands. Yes, people, and then say it's turning into a storm later. Mighty God, me sorry for them now. Look on the tree them. Look how the tree them are go. Left to right, left to right. Later, babe. Mwah.
So guys, it's actually 25 minutes now to 9 o'clock. I have work at 9 o'clock. I have to be out in this low pressure, in this tropical depression. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you some images on the road. Right now it's just pouring consistently. Gonna go on the road now, gonna show you some images on the road, alright? As you can see, there's some flooding going on in my yard already. Wow, guys, down here it's really flooded. Wow, this is crazy. I wonder if I can actually go through this. The water level is, wow, this is ridiculous, man. Oh my gosh, Lord help me. I'm trying to judge how high this thing actually is. This thing is really high, guys. I think I should be able to go through though. Lord help me, Jesus. Alright, we're going through. Oh, it's blocked off? Oh, okay. I have to go back. It appears the road has been blocked. And I can't really make it out. I think I'm gonna have to turn back, guys. Appears the block. How did it go? Guys, from what I'm seeing, It appears like the road has been blocked off, so it appears that I won't be able to go to work. So I'm gonna have to call my supervisor, inform her what is actually going on. I'm also on call, so if I get an emergency, I'm not sure how I'm gonna head out. This is crazy. So I'm going back home, guys. Wow, look at the weather now. It's starting to pick up. It's starting to behave real bad. The road, them block it off.
Wow.
Flooded.
So that means nowhere.
And now that kick up, wow. Now people, the storm is really kicking up.
But this is not the one.
It is crazy now.
It is crazy, you know. So people, Obi come home and light gone. So if the video a little bit dark, it's because the light currently gone.
Hey.
And Kara is very happy that Dada is home. Right, Papa? So we get we wish after all. Leo, we can lie down as three and cuddle.
Hi guys, so I thought I would be able to stay home today, but that's a no-no. I am the one that's on call, so I have to be out. I guess it's an emergency, so they're actually coming for me to take me to the hospital. So yes guys, so I'm just here waiting for them to actually come to pick me up. So even in this tropical depression, I have to still be working. The life of a medtech for you.
Bye, hubby. Love you. Mwah. Our pan come home. Alright. So guys, then come for my husband, people. He is on call and in packing overnight bag. So there's a slight chance that he will not be coming home tonight, depending on the weather and what it's looking like. Right? I never sleep without Leo. Wherever yeah, me sleep, but it's one time when I was going to Jamaica, etc. And me not gonna lie, it's hard to sleep without. You know, so you know, me just a prayer saying come home tonight because me know I don't know people, no light. And you know the strangest thing with Cayman people, when light gone, water gone. So water gone, no people. So guys, the rain paused for a bit, so I'm just showing you a little bit of aftermath. This is basically the pond that is now formed under the breadfruit tree where I live. I think you can go in there and swim if you wish. Hey! That's where Bobby had to turn back this morning. I see people coming through, but it's still full, people. So people are coming through, but it's still flooded. I pray the people that are tree. Yeah. So guys, you can see the big pond. Mighty God. I wonder why they have to turn back this morning. Look here, people. The road flood. No, it's still barricade, so yeah. Definitely nobody can walk. This is no walk foot. This is the first time, people, I'm actually seeing this. I was hoping to show you guys some more, but you know, this is where my journey stopped. I have to turn back. So I see people coming out of the yard and looking. Probably the first time I see things like this too. But look on that car. Look at the car. No sir. These are the things then when we see at my Jamaica. Nothing Cayman. And this is just a depression, people. And look on the car. Wow. Well. Heading back home now. Just wanted to show you guys a little clip of what is going on. Still a pass and a look, you know. And the people them act tree, you know. We still can't go get none, you know, people. As rain fall, you know, people. They underneath there, you know, people. Guys, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the clip. Later.